Merhaba, my name is Gökberk and I'm your Turkish teacher. On today's educational video, you will watch a sample lesson of a premium Turkish video course called Introduction to Turkish. The lesson will be on the Turkish alphabet. This course was made for zero beginners who want to learn Turkish for the first time. Hope you'll like this lesson. Don't forget to watch this video until the end. The Turkish alphabet uses a modified version of the Latin alphabet. There are 29 letters in the Turkish alphabet. Each letter in the Turkish alphabet is spelled the same way when inside a word. The sounds don't change like they do in English. In fast, native level spoken Turkish, certain spellings of words are contracted and said differently. You won't need to learn this until you reach upper intermediate level Turkish. We won't cover those contractions in this course. Instead, we will speak the same way the word is used in Turkish. Now, let's see the full Turkish alphabet. You will see my video on the right side of the screen, while you will see the letter on the left side. I will slowly repeat each letter 2 times. Be sure to listen to me closely and look at the way my lips and tongue is moving inside my mouth. Watch this video as much as you can until you master the articulation of these letters. Be sure to download the PDF sheet for the Turkish alphabet. Ready? Let's start. A, A, B, B, C, C, Ç, Ç, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, yumuşak G, H, H, I, 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 J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, Ö, Ö, P, P, R, R, S, S, Ş, Ş, T, T, U, U, Ü, Ü, B, B, Y, Y, Z, Z. Are you ready to practice the pronunciation inside some words? Check out the shadowing exercises for this lesson. They are named shadowing exercise with a number next to them. Shadowing exercises are to improve your speaking and listening. Listen to my pronunciation of certain words and simply imitate the way I say them. Practice makes perfect. Hey, thanks for watching this sample lesson of my premium video course. If you like this video and want to see the rest of the lessons, please visit my website Turkishaholic, where I have other various video courses and learning materials for you to learn Turkish online. You will need to be a premium or above member to get access to my premium materials. Don't worry, I explain everything in more detail there. Should you have any additional questions on your mind, please contact me anytime by replying to this video or contact me directly from my website. See you there.